cube plus 37a square minus 5a. Exercise 5b. Question number 6. 24a cube plus 37a square minus 5a. So this is not a quadratic equation. We have to do the quadratic equation, splitting the middle term using the quadratic equation only. So for that, take a common. Then it will become 24. A is we need a cube, so it will be a square. If we change the bracket, we will get it as 24a cube itself. So 24a square plus same way 37. A we have, so we want to multiply by 1a also. Then only we will get 37a square if we multiply this. 37a square minus, already we have a, then we have
minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 5. Then a separate. Then do the calculation. A. Let it be there. Dash into dash should be what?
120.
How you are
120.
How you are getting that 120? Is it
Five
positive
24.
120? Positive or negative 120?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. How you are getting that 120? That is 24 into negative 5.
5.
So that is negative 120. So dash into dash, we want to get it as negative 120. That means constant term multiplied by the coefficient of a square. Then next is what? If we add or subtract, we want to get it as positive 37, which are the two values. Better do prime factorization method. That is better, I think. So which method is convenient, that you can do. Or mental calculation you can do means that also, which will be the two numbers. Is look at this 120. 120 means don't bother about that 0. 12. So which always we are getting 12. So which two numbers if we multiply, we will get 12. Think of that. 4 and 3. Isn't it? 4 and 3, we will get it as 12. Another method is rough calculation. 4 into 3 is 12. We need 120. So either it should be 40 into 3 or 4 into 30. So we 120. 40 into 3 or 4 into 30. I mean 30 into 4. Anyway, we will get this 2 as what? 120. 4 into 3 is 12.
40 into 3.
40 into 3.
40 into 3. It will be possible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That is calculation, rough calculation.
40 into 3.
If you are not getting this type of knack means do that factorization method. Anyone have done using factorization method? Got the answer? Factors or simple factors. Factors, then prime factors, prime, then factors, then rough calculation. Anyone have done prime factorization?
We can do any method.
Any method. We need only that is splitting that two numbers only we need. Any method you can. Which one is easy that you can follow?
Okay, ma'am.
So anyone have done with the prime factors? Anyone?
No.
No one. So this is rough calculation. You're satisfied with the rough calculation?
Yes, ma'am. Did rough
Yes, ma'am.
calculation.
Okay. So 4 into, so which one we can take? 37 means 40 into 3. No. 4 into 30 we can't. 120. So
Then 40
Negative.
minus 3.
40 and 3 is there. So which one we have to give negative and which one to positive sign?
40 and negative 3.
40 and negative 3. So 40 minus 3, 37. So let it be there itself A, then 24A square, then minus, sorry, plus 40A minus 3A minus 5. Okay. Then A, 24A square plus 40A. So which one we have to take common there? There confusion there. So just think about the reverse. This is bigger number, no? Smaller number, think about this. So with this smaller number, you adjust 24A square and 40A. That is better. Understood what I am saying? We don't know which number we have to take common. A already there. So make it as a square bracket. Let it be there. Then from these two, we have to take something common. And from this two, we have to take something common. Usually we are doing from the left to right. But in this question, left two terms are bigger than the next two. So which one is good for us? If we take from these two terms, can we take a negative common? Think of the smaller number. If we take a negative common, only a negative we can take. Negative common. So remaining what we can write? 3A plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Ma'am, once you explain this step.
So in this one, if you are taking, so 24 and 40 means which number you will take common? So tell me which number you are taking common? 24 and 40. Which one is possible? Then Sri, turn off your video. Which one? 2 is possible. Then multiplication table. It will be difficult to know which one we have to take. So better what we can do? Let it be there. Or we can rearrange this question. That is better. Negative 3A minus 5 you write first. Then plus 24A square plus 40A. Now it's okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
from
ma'am.
these two and this two we have to take common. From this two, which one we can take common? One negative sign only we can take. We can't take 3, we can't take 5, we can't take A. Only negative is common for both 3A and 5. So negative if we take common, balance will be what? 3A plus 5. Is it okay or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how it came plus 5?
Negative. If we change the bracket, we want to get it as negative 3A and negative 5. If we take negative common, negative into positive 3A is only negative 3A. Okay, again doubt. So I will go with your way itself. So tell me, which one you can take common here? From these two, which one you can take common? Tell me, your choice.
Rearrange, ma'am.
Any, no, any, 8 table of 8. Okay. So 8. Table of 8 possible in both. So 8 balance. 8A also we can take now.
Yes, ma'am. 8A.
8A. Okay. I will go with you. 8A. Then balance. 20 square we need.
3A plus 3A
3A
plus plus 5.
plus 5. Is it okay? 3A plus Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we do? Next, we have to do with this, no? That saying 3a plus 5, we have to get 3a plus 5 within brackets. So which one we have to take common? Negative
Minus
1.
1.
Negative 1. Now this is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next to a, then
3a plus
brackets confusion. I'm writing this bracket. Okay. At last I will change. 3a plus 5, 3a plus 5 common, no? 3a plus 5 common. Then, if you want, you can write this bracket itself.
8a minus
Single
1.
bracket. Here also you can write single bracket. No problem. Then 3a plus 5. Then balance
8a minus
8a
1. 8a minus 1.
minus 1. So final answer is what? Final answer is what? A already there. A into 3a plus 5 into 8a minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right on. Right on. So up to this we got, that is 40 into what? Negative 3 is what? Negative 120. So 40 minus 3 is equal to 37. Do in the working order this one.
Ma'am, you can also do the first method, that rearranging the question.
No need, no need. This is enough. That is tough for you. That's why. Which method is convenient, that we can follow. That method means it is difficult for you. You are not responding if I am writing that method, no. So it will be difficult for you. So which step you have done, please tell me. I will repeat it. After completing, start doing next question number 7. 7th is easy. Anyway, splitting the middle term means we have to get it as square. That is quadratic equation form we need. We don't want power 1 or power 3 or power 4. We have to get it as power 2 starting. Or anywhere we want to get it as power 2, power 1 and power 0. Raised to 2, x raised to 2, x raised to 1, x raised to 0. That means constant term, x term and power of x should be 2. That way we have to get it. So look at question number 7.
Ma'am, we can remove. Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So 7th question. Any idea you are getting 7th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A into
Seventh one.
A into 3.
A into 3a minus 2.
A is
Ma'am,
common
we
for
can-
What will we
3a
do?
and minus 2. So we can multiply this. 3a square minus 2a. Minus 2a minus 1.
Bracket 3a square minus a into 2 is minus 2a minus 1. So we got the one. We can split. Oh, step back. So what will be dash into dash? Dash into dash would be negative 1 into coefficient of a square is 3. Negative 1 into 3 is equal to negative 3 we need. Then negative 2 also. Negative 3, negative 2. These are the two numbers.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. So 1 and
1
3
and
means
negative
1
and negative 3.
negative 3 and 1. It is possible. Negative 3 plus 1. Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am. Possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, no?
No doubt.
Negative 3 plus 1. One sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So Satvik, no, this one. Who is that? Any doubt? This one, negative 3, 1. Who is that? Negative 3 into 1, negative 3. Then negative 3 plus 1 is what? Negative 2. Any doubt? Then 3a square minus 3a
Minus 3a
plus
plus 1a.
a or 1a. That is enough, no? 1a. Okay. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay. 3a. Then balance a minus 3. Is it correct or wrong? What I wrote, correct or wrong?
Plus 1. Minus 1.
Ma'am,
One.
minus 1.
1.
Already we
Minus 1.
So depending upon the same a minus 1, what I have to write here? Plus 1 only. Okay. Then a minus 1 common, balance 3a plus 1. So a minus 1 into 3a plus 1. Then 8th question. Eighth question, some adjustment we can do. After that, then it will be easy. A square b square plus 80ab minus 9. A square b square. We need what? X square minus or plus 8x minus 9 form. No, this way we want to get. So, what we can do with this? Don't write, first listen. A square b square means we can write it as ab the whole square, no? Together we can write. Plus 8ab minus 9. With a and b it is difficult for us to calculate. So what we can do is put ab as x. For our convenience we are changing that. So what will happen to this equation?
X square plus
X square.
8x
X
minus
square
1.
plus 8x minus 9.
What equation? To this polynomial. 8x minus 9. Instead of ab, we replace it as x and ab x. So it will be x square plus 8x minus 9. Then it will be easy. Then how can we? Dash into dash would be what? Negative 9. And if we add or subtract, we will get it as positive 8. Find out. At last, we can change that x as ab. First, you do this. Understood? AB means a square, b square means we can write it as ab whole square. Put ab as x. So our question will become x square plus 8x minus 9. So which are the two numbers? Negative 9 and 8. Rough calculation is
9 and 1. 9 and 1.
9 and 1.
1.
Is it okay? 9 and 1. No.
Negative.
Negative?
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
9 into negative 1.
That 9 into negative 1. So 9 minus 1, 8.
Minus 1.
8. So we can split this. X square plus 9x minus 1x minus 9. From here, x we can take common. Then x plus 9. Then same x plus 9 we can take right here. X plus 9. Then negative 1. Negative 1 into x, negative 1x. Negative 1 into 9, negative 9. So here we can write it as x plus 9 into x minus 1. But this is not our answer. Our question is in terms of AB. So what we have to change this? What we have to do?
AB plus 9 into
AB plus
AB
9
minus
into A minus 1. AB minus 1.
AB, that is AB plus 9 into AB minus 1. We have to change that. AB as x. Sorry, x as AB. X as AB. So that is our final answer. Then try ninth question. Ninth question is easy. Simply bracket changing only. No? Then changing the brackets. Then rearrange the question. Then it will be easy. Three minus a into 4 plus 7a. So for time being, I will turn off my video. Just write. What you got after changing the brackets? Rearranging.
7a square minus 4a plus 3.
7a square
Minus 4a plus 3.
minus 4a plus 3. Then others.
Yes, ma'am, like that only.
Ma'am, I got 3 minus 4a minus 7a square.
Okay, rearrange that. A square first we will write means it will be easy, no? For positive 7a square. Why? Negative. You are giving this negative to 4 only, no? Why you are not giving to 7? It will be negative 7a square. Correct it. That's why I know you will do this. That's why I turn off my video. Now understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Changing the brackets, very important. That sign also we should concentrate on that sign. Negative 4a, then negative into positive is negative 7a square. So for our convenience, we are writing that square term first, then like this way. So negative 7a square minus 4a plus 3. So whether it is negative, no problem. What we have to do? Dash into dash should be what? Don't worry about that.
Dash into dash is equal to negative 21.
Negative 21. That is negative 7 into positive 3 we need. Negative 21. Then next it will be what? Negative 4. Negative 4. That also you can do the rough calculation, I think. If you are thorough with the multiplication table, then it will be easy. Questions only, no. Study multiplication table first. Then it will
Ma'am,
be easy.
3 and negative 7. 3 and negative 7.
3 and negative 7. So is it possible? 3 minus 7. Is it okay now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So negative 7a square. Then negative 4a we can write it as what? Either we can write 3a minus 7a or negative 7a plus 3a. Which is convenient. Look at that. Which one is good?
Ma'am, negative 7a plus 3a.
Then it will be easy for us to take common, no? Understood?
Yes.
That is our common sense. Which one we have to write? Both are correct. Both we can write. To save our time, better take which one? 7a plus 3a. Is it okay now, all of you? Negative
Yes.
7a plus
Plus
3a.
3. Plus 3.
Same numbers together means it will be easy for us to do. That's why. So negative 7a square minus 7a. Which one is common there? Negative 7.
Negative 7.
7.
Negative 7a.
Also we can. A also common there, no?
A minus
A
1.
minus 1.
Plus 1.
A minus 1.
Ma'am, plus 1.
Plus
Ma'am, plus.
Plus 1 only. Negative 7 into a, negative 7a square. Negative 7a into positive 1 is negative 7a. Then same, a plus 1 in brackets. So a plus 1
plus 3.
plus 3.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Okay.
Ma'am, a plus 1 into negative 7a plus 3.
A plus 1 into negative 7a plus 3. Either you can write 3 minus 7a or anyway. That is the answer. Okay. Then 10th question. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this? Then
No, ma'am.
10th question. Okay. 10th. 2a plus b the whole square minus 6a minus 3b minus 4. So listen me properly. Then after that you can write 2a plus b. So 2a plus b, wherever we see that bracket and all, means if we change the bracket a plus b whole square means it will be difficult. It will be too lengthy. So 2a plus b whole square means what we will do, that same adjustment can be do here with any 3. 2a plus b model. If we take something common from this negative 6a minus 3a, that is, we can take, can we make it as 2a plus b form, this one? Then only we can write it as x, 2a put a
Yes, ma'am. If we
2a
take 3 common, it's not 3 and
So if we write in terms of 2a plus b, the negative 6a minus 3a minus 4 there itself. How can we write? We want
negative 3.
3.
Negative 3 as common.
Negative 3. Is it okay? Negative 3 into 2, negative 6. Negative into positive, negative 3 into b, 3b. So why we are writing this? We can substitute 2a plus b as x means, if 2a plus b is x means we can write x square minus 3x minus 4 to do our calculation easy. Okay. So first what we have to do? Tell me. 2a plus b is the whole square. If we expand in forms of a plus b whole square means it is not possible. So better what we can do, again taking common means, factors means we want to group it together, not the expansion. Expansion means we have to expand. This is not the expansion. So 2a plus b whole square means that same model 2a plus b form can we write this negative 6a negative 3b as 2a plus b. That we have to think. So write that same 2a plus b. Check whether it is possible or not. Understood? Feeling difficult.
No, ma'am.
So 2a, we need a negative 6a. We need a negative 6a. We have only got 2a. So with which number we have to multiply? 2 into 3 only 6. Negative also we need. So negative. Negative
3.
3.
negative 3. Then only we will get negative 3 into 2a is what? Negative 6a. Negative 3 into positive b is what? Negative 3b. Okay.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Write down. In between you don't write. I will give you time. Otherwise you are concentrating in your writing. That's why you are not listening me. I will, after writing I will give you time. That is better. Otherwise you can't follow me. So 2a plus b the whole square minus 3 into 2a plus b minus 4. The next step what we can do?
2a plus b.
Without
as
square.
Put 2a plus b.
2a plus b
X.
is equal to x.
Ma'am,
that-
in notebook, you have to write x, not 2a plus b. In the notebook,
Notebook.
we have to write x instead of 2a plus b.
Yes, yes. Yes. You should write. At last only we will change. Put 2a plus b is equal to x. Do in the working column. Then replace that 2a plus b as x. X square.
Square minus 3 minus 4.
3x minus 4. That's why we are writing this. Put 2a plus b is equal to x. Otherwise we can't substitute.
Ma'am, can you explain how 3x came there?
2a plus b is what? Put 2a plus b is equal to x. Put 2a plus b. Instead of 2a plus b, we are writing x. So
Okay,
where
ma'am.
see 2a plus b, we are replacing that 2a plus b as x. 2a plus b is x means one square also there. So we put x square minus 3 into 2a plus b as x. No power there, only 1. So we are not writing anything. Minus 4, no 2a plus b, so we are not writing anything. So this is a quadratic. Dash into dash is equal to dash into dash is equal to negative 4
4.
and
Negative 3.
negative
Negative 3.
negative 3. So which are the two numbers? 4.
Ma'am, 4 and 1. 4 and 1.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4
Negative
and
4 into negative 1.
4 into
Ma'am,
negative
4
1.
into negative.
Ma'am, 4 into negative 1.
4 into negative 1 means is it possible?
Ma'am, negative 1. No, ma'am, negative 4 into 1.
Negative 1 into 4.
Negative is the answer. No,
Negative
negative
4
3 is the answer, not positive 3.
Negative
So
4
we have
into
to
1.
adjust negative
4
4
into 1.
positive 1. Then only one sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 4. Negative sign. Okay. Then x square minus 4x plus x. That means 1x. Okay. 1x minus 4. Okay. The step okay now? Then x into x minus 4.
X
Then
minus
take
4 and
minus
plus 1. Plus 1.
then x 1. So x minus 4 into.
Minus 4 into x plus 1.
Then what we want to do? Replace that.
Replace that as AB.
X into A.
Instead of
2A plus B.
2a plus b, we have to replace that. So it will be 2a plus b minus 4 into what?
Into
Same x.
2A
plus b
plus 1.
plus b
A
plus
A
1.
plus 1.
2a plus b plus 1. For time being, this is enough. Otherwise, it will be overload. Okay, it's enough. So next class, we can take question number 11 onwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.